Anyways, welcome back to my channel. I have my little retainers in whitening my teeth right now because I need to. And yeah, and this is not in the center. This is not a mood. And I changed my name, so it's not Jess Barca Makeup. It's Jess Barca Beauty. Right, let's get started. We're gonna get this pink look underway. And yeah, definitely my favorite eye base, the P. Louise. Just really helps to keep everything on. Holy moly, I look tired. It's the vibe. Wow, you caught me in one of my moods today. Like, is this split? Yeah, split. I'm definitely had a split. Whoa, look at that. Just like blocks the whole eye. I have another horn growing here. Ew, my hair, what is that? I literally do this so messily. Like, that could be a little bit more cute, but like, no. It's not a mood. I'm turning into the Star Reform. Is that a mood or is that not a mood? Are my eyes even opening? Like, one of these lights is so bright compared to the other light. I'm like, I literally can't see. Like, it's burning my eye. Which eye is more closed? Oh, that's just like heavenly. I'm gonna use the Tarte Pro palette. Sorry, it's so just messy. And the Vamp shade, which is like a purpley shade. Oh my God. Then when this mirror, it's like backwards. Ah! There, that one. Help me. Let's go, honey. Let's go. So what's happening in my life? Single, done. So done with men, no faith in men. So adult conversations cannot be had because they're allowed to watch YouTube, I'm pretty sure. Not that I have any children, but you know. So I'm putting the dark color because it's literally gonna be like a boss look. Like, this look is meant to just like KO your socks off. You should see the outfit I'm wearing. I brought it to the studio today to show you guys for the video because it is on another level. Damn, girl. Oh, this brush is not the best. Cool, not okay with that. Sorry. The goss. Tell me some goss. I can't even tell you some of mine because it's just horrifying. Leave him on red, girl. Leave him on red. Alright. This is a pink vibe. So we've got like, we just gotta even this out. The mirror and what is on my camera screen are like two different things. Now, trust the process of this. This looks like a mess and I've got fallout and it's just great. So blending it up until it goes to nothing near the top of the brush. Now, this pink is a Napoleon pink here. That one. Oh, there. Oh, that. Dome brush like this. And in that crease, more if it falls down. Make a mess, girl. Mess it up. Mess it up. She wasn't ready. Oh, I wasn't ready for that because I'm mucking around. Can't multitask. I can. I actually can. I can do it. Okay, so we're gonna use Inglot. What is this called again? Duraline. Gel liner. A little bit of that, a little bit. Bam. Did you wake up okay this morning? So I started to do the thing off camera. The camera broke, so I cut the crease. I'm just gonna talk you through it with this, and I literally just went up like that using this flat brush. Loving this pink dust by Inglot. It is number, I better put the lid on, 199. Just gonna press this. I just dropped some of it. Who are you, bougie lady? I'm just gonna put my liner and lashes on off camera. I feel like one eye is more sparkly than the other. Hello, darling. Sorry, I'm just in the middle of filming. How are you? I literally like was talking to this guy and he's like, anyone else? And then I found out he's sleeping with the whole Shire. I'm like, cool, thanks. Thanks for the embarrassment, you stupid. Who was it? So I'm just gonna use the MAC Prep and Prime. It's so hydrating. Bougie. Since we're going for the extra look, we're gonna use the little Radiance Strobe Cream. Love that for me. As per usual, we're using the MAC. Smashbox Water Primer after you put the foundation. And NARS Custard. Getting hungry. I'm losing my energy. I'm hungry. Anastasia. And just contour the jawline. Getting a meta top because I'm starving. I wasn't starving before and I was in a mode. This nose to a new level. Do you have to expose my pimple? Thanks. Greatly appreciated if you didn't. The mousse. Ah, my pimple's out. Cute, not that for me. Get that Fenty Beauty highlight and Fenty it up. Gotta grab the pink and put it under the eyeball. Somebody say extra? Into my eyes. Huda Muse. Yes.